Yo, grow a garden update. Finally, grow a garden update. This is an actual good update though. We got all the new codes as well. If you want to redeem every single new working code, don't miss out on any of these secret codes in Grow a Garden, because you can actually get yourself a lot of free stuff by simply redeeming all these codes. Look at all those fruits. You can finally actually see what kind of enchantments your fruit has. So you can see this is a pepper, disco, celestial, wet, and shocked. So you can actually tell which enchantments your fruit actually has, which mutations to be exact. So you can see this celestial wet corn is shocked. That is insane. We also got candy blossom right here. Oh, let's see. It doesn't even say the enchantment. Where's the enchantment? Okay, celestial and wet. Wait, where's the shocked one? Is that the shocked one? Okay, so that one is shocked. This one is disco. Isn't this one disco? Yo, where's the disco enchantment? Wait. Hello? Disco? Maybe this? Okay, never mind. Anyways, you get the point, okay? You get the point. We get all the mutations. All the mutations are pretty much on your screen. You will never have to guess what mutation is on your fruit. Right now, I'm gonna be redeeming every single new working code in Grow a Garden. And also, if you would like to have yourself the beans, you can actually get beans right now. If you want the beans, you can get free beans right now for 700 Robux. The prices are not even loading up for me because the update just crashed everything, I guess. The update actually crashed everything, so you can't even see the price. But if you would like to have some beans stock, you can actually just comment down below. Beans, and you can actually get yourself some beanstalk seeds right now. So comment down below. Wait. Beans. Just like this. Beans. Wait. Beans. Comment beans. Comment down below beans for one bean. Okay, wait. How many? One bean. Okay, one bean seed will be given away to you guys. One bean seed. One person can actually get themselves a bean seed. But don't forget to actually like the video, subscribe. We're gonna actually redeem every single new working code in Grow a Garden. The brand new update is here. Cosmetic update. There's a new cosmetics crate. Equip your seeds. Wait. The update is not even displayed. Where's the update? Time to spruce up your garden with an update jam-packed with... Wait. Customize your farm. Unlock your farm, huge assortment of farm. Okay, there's a crate. There's an actual crate with cosmetics for your garden. The first code that you actually want to redeem is summer 2025. So this is probably an upcoming code. The code is not out yet, but they will probably add this code later on in this update. They're still working pretty much on it. You can also receive look, gifts. You see, gifts. That's how you trade. That's pretty much how you trade with people. I'm not sure there's an official way to trade with other people, but this is the only way right now, by gifting other people your fruits.